sight, the measure of God's love. What passion did this dust excite to bring him from above? Infinite God, this planet trod, bounded by feeble human frame. A sacrifice of immense price, the Son of God became. The world he made, to world he gave, the world it knew him not. Unto his own with love he gave, his own received him not. Yet love excelled, advanced and quelled, breaking through force of war and hate. O sovereign love from heaven above, who can thy depths relate? He had to drink the bitter cup, his enemies to save. And on a cross be lifted up and fill a borrowed grave. But could the throes of fatal woes keep God and sinner man apart? As sorrow great and love in speech met in that lonely heart. Creator God, by creature tried and sentenced to the tree, the sinless God was crucified by sinners' cold decree. The scorn he faced, the cross embraced, love made him pay that awful price. This sovereign love from heaven